Good afternoon, teacher.
Good afternoon, teacher.
Good afternoon, teacher.
Alright. How are you guys doing today?
Good, teacher.
Okay. How about the others? I can see the chat box. Okay. So today we are going to learn about adjectives. Alright. So before we start, let's take a look at this picture. What do you guys see here? Can you hear me? Can we? So let me take a look at the chat box. So some of you say a big brown bag, teddy bear, cute teddy bear and a brown teddy bear. Alright. So yes, these words describe something and we call them adjectives, okay? So can you describe yourself now? How do you describe yourself? You can unmute your mic or you can also put it in the chat box.
I describe myself as a tall student.
Okay, what about the others?
I describe myself as smart and pretty student.
Hmm. Okay, there's also someone putting in the chat box. I'm a pretty student. What else? I describe myself as an adorable student, funny student. Any more? Someone's typing? Okay, never mind. So these words, as I said, the words you use describe something and we call that as adjectives. So what are adjectives? Adjectives are words that describe nouns. So do you guys remember what is noun?
Yes, teacher.
So can you give me example? Okay, many of you said yes. Give me examples of nouns.
Is it big, small like that, teacher?
No, that are adjectives. Nouns, nouns are about person, place, animal, or things. Like your friends have put in the chat box, like car, book, plate, shoe, water, person, like she. All these are nouns. So adjectives are words that describe nouns. So the words just now you gave were describing the picture. That means they are adjective. Like how you said, cute teddy bear, big brown bear, all that was describing the picture. So they are all adjectives. So I'll give you some example, okay? The car is fast. So the car is the noun and fast is the adjective. So we are describing the noun. Okay, another example I can give you is she is a smart student. So she is a noun and smart student is the adjective. Okay. So there are many types of adjectives such as describing appearance, tall, short, like how you guys describe yourself. And then feelings. I'm feeling happy, I'm feeling sad. And also color, blue, red, like brown teddy bear. And also size, big, small, and so on. Okay? So now I have another examples also. These are the words you can use, okay, to describe a word, a noun, whatever, okay? Let's go to the next slide. Okay, I have a task for you. There's three sentences here. So the first sentence is the small cat jumped onto the sofa and fell asleep. So what is the adjective in this sentence? You guys can put in the chat box also. Small cat. Any other answers? You can unmute your mic also.
Small.
Small cat. Okay, are you sure it's the correct answer?
Yes.
Alright. So the small cat jumped onto the sofa and fell asleep. So the adjective in this sentence is small, not small cat because it's adjective and noun. So you should answer small. Okay? Let's go to the second sentence. My sister felt excited when she received her birthday present. So what is the adjective in this sentence?
Excited.
Excited. Any other answers? Alright, all of you answered excited. It is the correct answer. So my sister is the noun and they are describing it as excited. Okay, it's a feeling. And the last sentence. The delicious cake was finished by my friends in just 5 minutes. So what is the adjective in this sentence? Delicious.
Delicious.
Any other answers? Alright, all of you guys answered delicious. It's describing about the taste, right? Describing about the cake. So it is the correct answer. Alright, so I think all of you guys understand, right? Do you have any question about this? You
No,
want to ask
teacher.
the question? No? Okay, no. So all of you guys did a great job. Now that you understand what an adjective is and some basic example, I'm stopping here, okay?
Teacher, you are muted. Teacher, your mic is muted.
Sorry. Okay. So what I mentioned was, yeah, no, no. Can you all hear me now? Can you all hear me?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Okay, so let me start. Okay, so now that you all already know what adjectives are, we're going to learn how to use adjectives to construct proper sentences. So to help you understand this better, we're going to watch a short YouTube video. So there'll be three parts in this video. So the first one will be they will explain simple terms of adjectives. The second part would be, as I mentioned, it be teaching on how to construct sentences, and the third part would be examples. So let me start. Okay, can you all see the screen?
Can,
Can you all
miss?
see the screen? Can?
Can, teacher?
Okay. Now hold on. Okay, I'll start the video. Huh? Okay, so from here on, I will show you the two main sentence patterns on how to construct a sentence with the adjectives. So, okay, the first one. Okay, so the first one is adjective plus noun. So I said earlier, the sentence will have both adjective and also noun. So I have a red car. So this is a sentence. So in this sentence, the adjective is red and the noun is car. Okay, so this is a very common pattern which you all know. So the second pattern I'll show, which would not be familiar for y'all. So the second one will be okay, so be plus adjective. So it's considered as be verb. So for those who do not know, be verb is, am, are. So in a sentence, if you see words is, am, are, and there's also an adjective behind, it's this second way of constructing a sentence. So let me continue. Okay, so as I said earlier, so this sentence, the student is tired. So if you see words like is, am, are, so this is actually the second way of constructing this sentence. Do you guys have any questions, any doubts on this part? You have, you can raise up your hand, you can unmute your mic, you can put in the chat box also. Hold on now, let me check. Okay. Any questions? No,
No, teacher.
Okay. So let me continue. Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do here. So there'll be examples that I will show. What I want you all to do is, from the examples I show, I want you all to tell me if it's a noun plus adjective sentence or if it's a be plus adjective sentence. Okay, Ken? Okay, I'll start. Okay, I see a small mouse. What kind of sentence construction is it? Can you all tell me? Y'all can unmute or y'all can write in the chat box.
Adjective plus noun, teacher.
Okay, good. Any other answers? Okay, that's correct. So I'll move to the second sentence. That is an expensive car. So how about this one? Is it noun plus adjective or be plus adjective?
Adjective plus noun, teacher.
Yes, correct. Okay. Okay. Now second one. Wait, The children are happy. So how about this?
Noun plus adjective.
Okay, any other answers?
No, teacher.
Okay. One last one. How about this one?
Noun plus adjective.
Okay, very good. That's correct. Okay, all clear? Do you guys have any question with this part? Because I'll be going on, I'll be doing a short activity with you guys after this, a very, very short one. So before that, I just want to clear if you guys have any questions on the adjectives part or the sentence constructing part. Okay, so I'll continue. Mm. Hold on, I'll present. Okay. Down. Can you all see the screen?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so what I want you to do is look at this picture. So I want you to construct a sentence with adjectives based on the image shown. It can be anything. Okay, I just want you to construct a sentence with the adjectives. It can be both, whether noun or noun plus adjective or be plus adjective. So you can type your answers in the chat box or you can open your mic and let me know. I'll give you 2 minutes. Okay. Before you, if you want to unmute your mic and answer, please raise your hand first. Okay. Okay. 2 minutes. If you already know, you can just type it straight away. Okay, I can see some answers. A handsome man. Okay. Okay. Anyone else? Handsome celebrity. Okay. The man is looking handsome and charming. Okay, that's a good one. He is wearing a red shirt. Okay, that's something different. Okay. Okay, I think that's enough. Okay, so thank you all for your time and thank you for responding to the questions. Okay, that's all.
Okay, so hi guys. So far, do you guys understand what you have been taught about adjectives?
Yes, Miss.
You guys can type it out in the chat box as well. How about the others? Do you guys understand? Okay, students. So now we're going to be doing a very short activity using Padlet. I'll share you guys the Padlet link in the chat box. You guys can access to it first. So can you all see the window I'm sharing?
Yes, teacher can see.
Okay. So your job for this task is to find the adjectives. We have 10 sentences here. So I want you guys, each one of you, to find the adjectives in each sentences and then post it up in this Padlet as well. I'll give you guys 3 minutes. Can you guys do it?
Sure, teacher.
Okay, so be careful, read the sentence properly, and if you guys can finish it before 3 minutes, double check your answers, okay? So you guys can start doing it now. Students, you have another 1 more minute left. Okay, thank you for your cooperation. Let's wait for your other friends. I've only gotten 3 response. Are the others still doing? Okay, most of y'all have already answered. Let's wait for Pantara and Risha's answers. Okay, everyone. Thank you so much. So let's go and have a look on all of your answers. I'll just see few. So for the first sentence, the tall giraffe ate the green leaves. The adjectives are Tall green. Tall green. Yes. See, many of you have answered correctly. Good job. So let's go for the second one. She wore a beautiful dress to the party. Dress, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, there's mixed answers here. Some are right, some is wrong, but that's fine. We're all learning. The correct answer is beautiful and not dress because adjective is describing a noun. It's not a thing. It's describing a noun. So beautiful is the correct answer. The other answers, most of you have answered correctly. So I can see that every one of you understand how adjectives work. Even if your answer was wrong, it's fine. This is how we learn and improve. So overall, you guys did very well. I like how active you guys are in the Padlet. Adjectives are important because they make our writing clearer and more interesting. Alright, before we move on, students, take a last quick look at your answers and compare it with your classmates. Make sure you understand why each word is an adjective. If you guys have any question, you guys can ask me now. Do you guys have any questions?
No, teacher.
Do you guys understand?
Yes, understand.
Okay, students, let's continue with the next part of our lesson. Thank you.
Okay, students, let's move on to our last activity for today. Can you all hear me?
Yes, can teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, can okay. So before that, let me quickly check your understanding. Okay, can anyone share one adjective that you learned in today's lesson?
Small.
Okay, how about the others? You can also type in the chat box here, or you can even switch on your microphone, and you can also tell.
Teacher, can I try?
Yeah, sure.
Clear, bright,
Yes.
heavy,
Yes.
small. That's all.
Yes. Okay, that's a very great answer. Okay. Okay, thank you so much, everyone. That was a really great response from all of you. Okay, so let's move on for the last activity of the day. I've given you all a Padlet link in the chat box. Can you all see the Padlet link?
Can teacher.
Okay, can you all access to the link? Can anyone check for me? Are you guys having some difficulties or is it okay? Okay, everything is perfect, yeah? Okay, as you see today, we are going to be doing word search. Okay, so before we start, I'll be giving you all an instruction because this will be a pair work. Okay, so this word search will be a pair work, yeah? Okay, so firstly, I need you to be working with a pair. I'll be putting y'all in the breakout room for students so y'all can discuss with your pairs with each other. Once you all have decided about the pairing, I want one of the team member to put down your name into the chat box so that I know. Okay. I'll be giving all of you 3 to 4 minutes to complete this activity. Once you all have done discussing about this word search in the breakout room, please share your answers in the Padlet. Okay, so if let's say there is 4 breakout room, right? So I only need 4 response. So one team, one members only should type out the answers. Okay. So does any of you all have any doubts?
No, teacher.
You all understand, right? Okay, so shortly I'll be putting you all into the breakout room, okay? Okay, students, I have already put you all inside the breakout room, okay? Okay, so the time has ended, everyone. So let's discuss the answer, okay? Let me share the screen to you all so you all can see all your friends' answer. Okay, so there are already 4 responses here. Let's see Tanutara and Dania's response first. Okay, so you guys okay, now let's see Tanutara and Dania's response. Okay, so both of them managed to get 6 answers. Okay, which is black, young, thin, short, blue, and orange. Okay, good job, guys. Okay, everything is correct. You guys managed to find it. Okay, now let's move on to Roshni and Shalini. Big, beautiful, young, blue, small, handsome. Okay, good job, guys. Well done. Okay, now let's move to Cass. Okay, big, cute, pretty, white, large, small, orange, blue, black, and handsome. Okay, good job, Cass. Managed to find more than 6 answers. Great job.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay. Okay, so at the end, Ashwini and Abhirami, you guys managed to find 6. Okay, number 1, tiny. Number 2, tall. Number 3, small. Number 4, blue. Number 5, black. And number 6, pretty. Okay, that's a great job, guys. All of you all did so great. Okay. Okay, just to let all of you know, if you are wondering why everyone answers different, there are actually more than 6 adjectives there. Okay, for example, Cass have already gave us so many adjectives. Okay, that's a really great job. Okay, if you actually manage to find more than 6 adjectives, that's a really great job. Okay, so good job, everyone. All of you did so well today, and I'm really happy to see your effort and how you participated in these activities. I hope all of your students learn something useful today and feel more confident using adjective in your writing for your upcoming lessons. So keep practicing and you will even get a better results. That's all for today, students. Thank you for joining today and have a great day. See you guys in next class.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you. Bye.